Join me as I challenge myself to network with 10 strangers and uncover hidden business opportunities along the way. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly stumble upon amazing business opportunities? Meanwhile, you're over here hustling to make ends meet. I used to think that networking was just about exchanging business cards and attending tedious events. But what if I told you that it's so much more than that? Networking is often misunderstood as just a way to find a new job. And yes, it can definitely help you land a new gig. But when you limit your networking efforts to just finding employment, you're missing out on a world of potential business growth. Think about it, every successful entrepreneur has a network of people who've helped them get to where they are today. And it's not just about who you know, it's about who you can help. The truth is, networking can open doors to hidden business opportunities that you never even knew existed. It can help you discover new markets, partnerships, and clients that can take your business to the next level. But you have to be willing to put in the effort and be open to new connections. So, don't just focus on finding a new job, focus on building relationships that can help you grow your business. Take Richard Branson, for example. He's built an empire through strategic networking. He didn't just stumble upon the idea for Virgin Group, he met people along the way who helped him turn his vision into a reality. Or consider the founders of Airbnb, they networked their way into getting their startup off the ground. They didn't just list their apartments online, they connected with people who shared their vision and helped them make it happen. I've had my own share of networking experiences that have led to significant business opportunities. One particular instance that comes to mind is when I attended a conference for entrepreneurs. I met someone who was looking for a partner to help them launch a new product. We hit it off, and before I knew it, we were working together on a project that ended up being a huge success. So, what's the takeaway here? Networking isn't just about finding a new job or collecting business cards. It's about building relationships that can help you grow your business and unlock new opportunities. By being open to new connections and focusing on building meaningful relationships, you can uncover hidden business opportunities that can take your business to the next level. If you've had a similar experience where networking led to a significant business opportunity, share it with me in the comments below. And if you're looking for more insights on business growth, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.